Do you believe that giving Ubisoft the cloud gaming rights to the Activision titles for 15 years, we're talking Call of Duty and Candy Crush, is that enough to get the CMA to approve this $69 billion deal?
Well, I think, as Sarah from the CMA just said, this is a completely new deal, so the CMA is going to have to look at it almost from scratch. And so I think 18th October is pretty optimistic, but the CMA is going to be under a hell of a lot of pressure from Microsoft to get that done. And Microsoft only released a short statement about this just 2 days ago. We don't know the detail. We don't know how much Ubisoft is paying in one-off payments and in terms of wholesale pricing later on. And we don't know how much Microsoft is going to profit from it. But what it does raise is two questions for investors. One is, if the whole deal is changed, is the deal rationale for Microsoft still strong? And two is, are regulators at war with big tech? Because the FTC took on Microsoft on this deal and lost. The CMA has reconsidering its position. It looks like big tech is just playing around with these regulators, and it looks like big tech is winning. So does that mean regulators are going to have to try and do something different on antitrust?
All right, Cyrus, you're hitting on some important points. We don't really know all the aspects of the deal, including how much Ubisoft is possibly paying for these cloud gaming rights. We've got to remember, this deal was first announced back in January of 2022, a very different environment. Back then, it seemed like the metaverse might be a big thing, not so much now. And also, Microsoft giving up the cloud gaming rights. That's an area of growth for the next 15 years, and also could long-term impact its Xbox console business. So a lot of questions. How do you think investors should view this deal?
Yeah, absolutely. So if you look at the global gaming market, let's say it's worth about 230 billion, or that's what it was worth by our estimates last year. Mobile gaming was 57% of that, cloud gaming just 1%, and the rest PC and console games. And cloud gaming was one of the deal rationales that Microsoft gave back in Jan 2022 for this deal. You know, we think that market's going to grow from 3 billion now to about 30 billion by 2030. So, you know, what's the rationale now? And I suspect, and Microsoft hasn't told us, you know, what the revised rationale is, but I suspect it'll be something around Microsoft wanting to be the big player as the mobile gaming market takes off and the cloud gaming market takes off. And remember, if you look outside of tech and look at esports, which of course are linked to gaming and to streaming, you know, Saudi Arabia is investing a hell of a lot in gaming rights. Other sovereign funds are investing in sport and games. This could be a massive growth area, which is why Microsoft wants this deal.
Yeah, I haven't heard the term esports in a while. I think since the last time I heard metaverse. You're pulling that one out, Cyrus. So I do want to ask you more broadly, what does this say to you about tech regulation in general? Obviously, the CMA, they wanted to stop Microsoft from having a monopoly in cloud gaming. According to the latest reports, Microsoft had about 60% of the cloud gaming market last year. What does this tell you about the overall attitude when it comes to regulators and big tech?
I think if you look at the last few years, regulators are losing the antitrust battle against big tech. And they're losing it for a simple reason, which is their laws are outdated. I mean, in the US, you still have the 1890 Sherman Act that, you know, the Department of Justice and the FTC have to fall back on. And the FTC under Lina Khan is clear that she wants to prevent big tech from moving into entire new industries, you know, by anti-competitive practices, but she's losing a lot of cases. Right. And so what I think might happen is that regulators might force politicians to actually change the law. And in Europe, that's happening. Because in the US, regulators have to wait until a company actually commits anti-competitive practices before they can do anything. But in Europe, under the new Digital Markets Act, you know, the Europeans aren't interested in that. They don't want to go to court. They just want to classify certain companies like Microsoft and Google as gatekeepers, and then say you have to follow certain rules.